Hi, I'm Colin with Blue Marble Consulting, authorized reseller of MindTickle. In this video, I'm going to talk about what MindTickle is, and then I'm going to give a demonstration showing you what this looks like from the learner's perspective and the teacher's perspective. So overall, MindTickle is used for end-user training, mainly using content that you already own and that you may already use for training purposes using the MindTickle platform. Now it's cloud-based, and it combines a few different things. There's a social platform that's utilized in MindTickle. It's also utilizing gamification, which we'll see that in a moment. Focuses on mobility and ease of use experience. And it covers the entire life cycle of learning spectrum. So all the way from creation of the course to analytics and feedback on how the students are doing in your course. And what's great about MindTickle is that it uses content that you already own and that you may already use for your training purposes for new employees, recertification, and that sort of thing. And you can take that and create a more engaging learning experience with no technical skills required. So what does this look like? Once students create their accounts, they'll be able to start taking different courses. This example right here, this course is called the MindTickle New Hire Example, and this is kind of a preview screen, so you can see the course outline of everything that will be covered in this course. You can see that we have PowerPoints and questions and videos for this particular course. So let's start this and we can see how students can move through. So here is the entire course outline, and we'll begin with this What We Do tile right here. Now you can load many different types of media into MindTickle. So here you see we have a YouTube video that's embedded on this first slide right here. So students will view this video and then move on to the next screen, which is a PowerPoint presentation. And these can be PowerPoints, videos, PDFs, audio files, a variety of different media platforms. And once they go through these two slides here, they'll begin to answer the different questions. So we have multiple choice. So we'll choose hospitality here, and we'll go to the next question. And we also have matching, so we can match images to either words or phrases. And that's one of the many different question types that are available here, and we'll go on to the next question. We have another multiple choice. And so students will go through that and do that for each of these different tiles. You can put in more than this or less depending on what you want, and you don't necessarily have to have questions in there. If you want, you can just have different types of media in each one of these tiles. So this is what this will look like from the student's perspective, and you can set this to be completed in, say, 3 days, or if you want, you can set the time frame to be unlimited for students to complete at their leisure. Now on the other side, as an admin or as a teacher in the course, we have some great analytic capabilities, and you can view how all of your students are doing, who's participating, which questions are tricky, by going to the Analytics tab up here. And this is great because it gives you a quick snapshot of what is going on in your courses, as well as the capability to drill down and see how individual students are doing in their courses. So here's that quick snapshot. We can see that we have 24 people invited to our course, 3 participated, and 2 completed it. We can also see the correct percentages of right and wrong answers, as well as the different badges that students earn. So when students reach a certain threshold of points, they will earn certain badges. So this is just one snapshot. We can drill down into this participation area, and we can see how which individual students are participating in our course. So we can scroll down here and we can see all of the different users and what their status is for the completion. In addition, we can view report cards for students to give us an overview of just that one particular student. So here we can see that this student has completed 100% of the course, the total score that the student has received, how many questions they skipped, how many they got right and wrong, and then you can see which questions they either skipped or got right or wrong for the entire course. So this platform makes it much easier to keep tabs on how your students are doing, especially if they're conducting training over even a short amount of time or a longer period of time. Another great feature of MindTickle is the quick update feature. And this allows you to send out a quick update with either a couple of questions or some different media types to the people that were invited to the course. So if there's someone out on project or a job and they're not right next to their computer, you can send this out and your students or employees will be able to pull this up on a mobile device like a smartphone or tablet. So this is as easy as going over to the Create button, and then we'll go to Quick Update. Then we'll go to Create, and then you can choose what you want to send out in the Quick Update here. So we'll add content, and we'll either add in a multiple choice quiz or a media file, and you can add in videos, audios, images, and presentation documents. And this is very simple as well. All you need to do is find your file, click and drag, and it's in there. And then once we click publish, that will be pushed out to all of the invited students to that course. So we'll go back home here. And so that's an overview of what MindTickle looks like. We walked through a course from the student's perspective. We then switched over to the teacher's or the admin's perspective, and we were able to view analytics for the course as well as send out quick updates to all of our different students. For more information on MindTickle, please send us an email to mindtickle@sap-bmc.com, call our phone number listed here, or visit our website at sap-bmc.com.